Hello EPF members, have you heard that EPFO has increased the EDLI death benefit to 7 lakh rupees during the pandemic? The EPFO has announced a minimum death benefit of 2.5 lakh rupees and a maximum benefit of 7 lakh rupees for death in service of EPF members. Incidentally, Sequel has played a major role in this EDLI benefit enhancement through tireless representations before the central government, thereby providing relief to the bereaved families of thousands of EPF members who die while in service. The families of the deceased EPF members can obtain the EDLI death benefit directly from the EPFO by applying through Form 5IF or through the EDLI insurance policy maintained by the company. Companies that have exempted EDLI policies should immediately get the death benefit hiked to Rs 7 lakhs in place of the existing 6 lakhs by paying the proportionate premium to the insurance company. Companies paying EDLI premium to EPFO need not pay any extra premium. Earlier, there was no guaranteed minimum EDLI death benefit for unexempted EPF subscribers. In 2013, Sequel approached the government with detailed calculations where we pointed out that the additional funds available with the EDLI was standing at 12,600 crores, and we proposed to link this fund to enhance the EPS indexation benefits. After a long wait of 3 years and a series of calculations as requested by the CPFC, Sequel was successful in inviting the Union Labour Secretary and the Central PF Commissioner to a seminar in Kolkata on 17th February 2017. We explained the ability of the government to pay a straight minimum EDLI death benefit of Rs 6 lakhs, which could be extended up to Rs 9 lakhs as assured EDLI death benefit to the families of deceased EPFO active members. This amount was suggested to draw a parity with death benefits as provided by private insurance companies. It was a proud moment for Sequel when the Honorable Labour Secretary, being highly impressed by our proposals, announced that she would actively pursue our suggestions with the ministry. Finally, in 2018, based on our inputs and tireless pro bono efforts, the Government of India mandated a minimum of Rs 2.5 lakhs as EDLI benefit through a notification in the official gazette, subject to a maximum of Rs 6 lakhs. And during COVID, the maximum benefit was further increased to Rs 7 lakhs. With our motto of love, serve, and leave the rest to God, Sequel strives each day to bring smiles to the faces of innumerable workers and employees who are the architects of today's and tomorrow's India. Our motivation is the well-being of our citizens through active suggestions and proposals to the government. Log on to www.sequel.com and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn for updates, Q&A videos, and a host of other statutory compliance services. Thank you for watching.